Hi everyone, welcome to the Discovery Taste. This is Sajam. Today I'm going to show you how I make some delicious and creative chocolate chips cookies with 4 different flavors. So let's get started. 2 and 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, half cup of granulated sugar, half cup of demerara sugar, 1 cup of milk chocolate chips, and a half cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let's combine all the dry ingredients and it should be mixed evenly before we add the wet ingredients. It's ready to add 1/4 cup unsalted butter. It should be melted and cool down for 3 minutes. Then we can add 1/2 cup unsalted butter from cold to room temperature. We can now add 1 large fresh egg. Let's add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract to enhance and brings out the flavors from the ingredients. For mixing, I tried both mixer and hand, and it turns out that it really doesn't make much of a difference at all if you mix cookie dough by hand or mixer or beater. I prefer to use hand to mix cookie dough because I can feel the texture and the consistency of the dough and the ingredients. And I've done this for several times because my girl's always requesting something sweet. So you could do this, but there's a science to baking. And the main thing here is that the butter and sugar need to be well incorporated, and you need to know the correct temperature when baking in oven. As you can see, I really smash harder the cookie dough to mix well all the ingredients, and it allows more time for the flour to absorb the moisture from the eggs and butter, which is very important when baking. You can see also how the dough becomes smoother and more elastic as I mix it, which is mean that the gluten in the flour is developing. The dough is ready to roll up. To add some flavors to our usual chocolate chips cookies, so I decided to use what I have in my pantry and fridge. So what I have here are raisins, cinnamon, cereals, walnuts, and cream cheese. To measure the size of the cookie, I use 1 tablespoon measuring cup. Just use your hand to scoop and form dough to a ball shape. Of course, roll between 2 hands using a circular motion. By the way, I reuse an egg tray as a molder for cookie dough because after adding the additional flavors, we will put them in the freezer for 15 minutes before baking. Just to add on, don't forget to put in the tray the wax paper. It creates a non-stick surface between the tray and the cookie dough. I set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and preheat for 5 minutes. Oven is ready. So let's set a timer for 15 to 16 minutes. Okay, how to know when cookies are done? Number 1, golden edges. Number 2, top of the cookies is slightly cracked. Number 3, slightly puffy. Number 4, insert a toothpick at the middle. If you pull out and the stick is clean, then your cookies are good. Wow, look at them. They are so beautiful. The cookies are soft, chewy, and full of flavor. You will love the contrast between the sweet chocolate chips, raisins, cinnamon, cereals, walnuts, and cream cheese. And these cookies are perfect for any occasion, whether you want to treat yourself and kids, impress your guests, or surprise your loved ones. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy it and if you learned something, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love the combination, the sweet, the cream cheese, the raisins, the cinnamon. Really tastes good. Thank you everyone.